Hello, long time no see, and Happy New Year. Today we are going to take a look at question 112, pass sum. This is a problem about tree. In this problem, we are given a binary tree and a sum. We have to determine if the tree has a root to leaf path, such that adding up all the values along the path equals the given sum. So let me explain. For example, here you can see we are given the below binary tree and we are given a sum which is 22. So 5 plus 4 plus 11 plus 7 is not 22. 5 plus 4 plus 11 plus 2, which is 22. And 5 plus 8 plus 13 is not 22. 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 is not 22, which is why we output the path 5, 4, 11, 2. So which is why we output true, because there is a path 5, 4, 11, 2, which sum up we get 22. Okay, now let's get into coding. So in this problem, we have to first consider an exception, which is if the root doesn't exist, if the tree doesn't exist, then we would say we wouldn't find any node with the value. So we wouldn't find any node with value adds up equals to sum. That's why we return false. Then if the tree exists, so what we do is we will get the remainder of the sum. So we use the sum to minus root's value, and then we check is the current node has any children node left. So which if not, root left doesn't exist and root right doesn't exist, we will return true if the remainder, which is 0, which means all the nodes value adds up equals to the sum. Else we will return false, because that way, which means all the nodes adds up, is not equals to sum. And at last, what we have to do is so we already get this, and later what we need is so at last we have to make this method recursive method. So which is we have to call it self with roots left and remainder, and or self with roots right and remainder. Why we can do this, why we use or, it is because we are checking each time we are checking the branches. So if one branch returns true, which means there is a path which sum up equals to the sum.